Imagine a world where mental health doesn't equate to whispered conversations and shame. A world where discussing one's struggles with depression, anxiety, or bipolar disorder holds the same weight as discussing a knee injury or a common cold. Can we envision such a world? Take the story of Sam, a charismatic young entrepreneur who started his own tech company at the tender age of 23. His friends and colleagues admired him for his drive and energy. Yet, behind the scenes, Sam grappled with crippling bouts of depression. The stigma surrounding mental health made him feel isolated, as if he were fighting a battle that no one else could comprehend. Or consider the tale of Alice, a talented violinist known for her soulful performances. Unbeknownst to many, Alice suffered from severe anxiety that often left her paralyzed with fear before every concert. She was terrified of being judged or deemed unfit if she disclosed her mental health struggles. Then there's the story of Jamal, a high school teacher who loved his job but had days when his bipolar disorder made it difficult to function. He was afraid of losing his job and respect in his community if he sought help. These stories reflect the harsh reality of mental health stigma. It's a silent epidemic that exacerbates the struggles of those dealing with mental health issues. It's not just about the individual suffering. It's about the collective silence, the collective misunderstanding, and the collective judgment. The stories of Sam, Alice, and Jamal are not unique. They are echoes of the experiences of millions of people worldwide who endure similar struggles in silence due to the fear of stigma. But what if we could change that narrative? What if, instead of judgment, there was understanding, compassion, and support? Imagine a world where Sam could openly discuss his depression without fear of being seen as weak. A world where Alice could share her anxiety without worrying about being judged. A world where Jamal could seek help without the fear of losing his job or respect in his community. It's time to challenge the stigma associated with mental health. It's time to foster a culture of understanding and acceptance, where people are encouraged to seek help and where their struggles are not dismissed, but understood and supported. So lend your voice to this cause, speak up about mental health, advocate for better understanding and acceptance, share your stories and listen to the stories of others. Together we can shift the narrative around mental health and create a world free of stigma. Because mental health matters, and no one should have to suffer in silence.